Life-saving test. How this simple test can save your life and help you live longer. Regular health exams or tests can be the difference between dying young and living a long and healthy life. Do you know why? Because it is better to find problems early before they become big problems. When diseases are discovered earlier enough, successful treatment and cure are high, and the chance to survive such a disaster increases. However, when it is discovered late, the mortality or death goes up. Everybody needs a regular wellness check or test, but most people don't because they think they are healthy or too young. But they are wrong. Do you know why? Because some conditions, or even life-threatening illnesses, do not show any symptoms earlier on until it has progressed. And that is a scientific-based fact. The only way to protect yourself and ward off any unsuspecting and dangerous disease are to get regular checkups and tests, because once they progress, treatment becomes more complex. Unfortunately, in some cases, the resultant outcome could be death. So don't wait until you have symptoms or are sick to get tested. Hi everyone, this is Waysandhow, and this video is sponsored by Let's Get Checked. At Let's Get Checked, you have an option for more than 30 home tests with accurate lab results within 2 to 5 days, and all shipments are free. These are the same lab tests as those from physicians and hospitals, so you know that your test will be accurate. Some of their most popular tests are STD, male hormone, liver, heart disease, women's health, and men's health tests, plus other wellness tests such as colon cancer, kidney, celiac, thyroid, diabetes, cholesterol, mineral test, cortisol test, and more. I understand why many people shy away from getting the necessary tests that could save their lives, either because they are afraid of sharing their secrets with their doctors, or simply because it would cost more to get tested at the clinic or the hospital. But that should no longer be an excuse because tests are discreet and the cost is affordable. But even more importantly, Let's Get Checked has given me a discount code to save you 30%. The discount code link is in the description below, so click on the link in the description and start your home test today. If you do not see the test that you are looking for, scroll down at the bottom of the page for a list of different tests available. There are at least 30 life-saving tests available to choose from. There are no more excuses not to get your regular checkup or test. If your hesitation was because you do not have health insurance, that should no longer be an excuse either, because now you can get tested for less than most people would pay for doctor's visit copay. If you are concerned about cost, you now have a 30% discount code to use. How you get started. The steps to collect and send your samples are straightforward. Once you land on the Let's Get Checked page, scroll down to find the video clip tutorial on activating your code and collecting your samples. The video title is called How to Collect Your Sample. Follow the steps so that you don't miss any steps. Everything you need to know about collecting samples and submitting your test sample is in this video clip, so watch the video very carefully. Good luck, good health, and many happy, healthy years ahead. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.